Hello my friends, this is Adnan here, and in this video we're gonna show you how to go create your subdomain and then install WordPress to it. It's pretty straightforward, so let's jump right into it. Alright, so basically you would want to log into your HostGator control panel or whatever control panel you have and go ahead to subdomains. Click on subdomains here. Once you click on subdomains, you would want to just go ahead, create a name whatever you desire, and then as you can see it chooses the root folder for you, so don't touch anything else, just go ahead and create. Once you click on create, it's gonna create your subdomain. Okay, now that's the simple part, you've done that. Now you would want to go ahead and install SQL. That's what you would need to your subdomain. So go back to home page, and then we're gonna go ahead, scroll down to SQL. There you go, the database. We're gonna go on this one, okay, and then we're gonna choose a username, a database name. So we're gonna go ahead, click put the name that you would want. So we're gonna go ahead, click and then create database to it. And then once that creates, go back, and then we're gonna scroll down and then create a username for that one click. So we're gonna name it same, the one click, and then password, choose a password. A strong password would be nice. Okay, match the password. And then we're gonna go ahead, create a username, a user for your SQL database. Okay, and there you go. So that's good. No, good. Go back. All right, let's see. So we have that database created here. Now we need to put some privileges. So let's see, go click on the one you just created, the same thing as the database, add, and now you would want to select all the options that you get here, because you want to give the rights for the user to access everything. So make changes. There you go back, and you should be good to go. There you go. So now your database is created for your subdomain and you have access to it with the username, so we're good to go on this one. Now on the other side you need WordPress, so we're gonna go ahead and first of all download it from the main page of WordPress. So we're gonna go to Google and then just gonna type in download WordPress. There you go, and then click on the second link, I believe, and download the zip folder right there. So we're gonna go ahead and download this, saving, and then go to the folder where it downloaded, and then just click on it and extract the folder, the zip folder, into a folder. So there you go. Now that's good to go. That's it. Now for what you have to do is basically you would need to go on the folder and drop in this folder into your directory of your domain. But obviously we can't do that file by file because it's going to take time, so we're going to use FileZilla, or the client FileZilla. So we're going to go ahead and log in our information here and connect, and once that's connected, click OK, and you should be connected. On the right side you'll see your directory from online, and you would see your subdomain right there in your public HTML. So you see it's empty. If you click on the other subdomain, if you have, you will see the information that you have in there. So you would want to fill that subdomain with all this information. Now we already downloaded the WordPress, so we're gonna find that on the left side. It's wherever you downloaded it. So it's in my download folder, and that's the folder I need to transfer it in my subdomain. So we're gonna go ahead and click on one of the domains. As you can see, this is what you need, so you can't just drop that folder, you need to drop all these files into that folder. So copy that folder, or you could drag and drop it. So we're gonna go ahead and drag and drop it. So copy this again, and then just drag and drop. Okay, so now once that's done, it's gonna take some time to finish up because it's got 1,000 files. So it's gonna take a little bit of time depending on your internet speed, because it's uploading all the files into your subdomain, and then we're gonna get back to you once it's done. Okay. Alright guys, perfect. So all the files has been transferred successfully, and there you go. Those are the folders. That's our subdomain, and as you can see, before it was only this file, now we have all these files from our WordPress. So it's about time for us to go into our website, the subdomain one, and jump right into it and see what we get. Okay, so we got the WordPress sign here. It's a good sign. Okay, welcome to WordPress. Before getting started, we need some information on database. So that's the database that we just created. That's what it's talking about. So let's go ahead and so database name. So you remember your database name that you created. Mine was this underscore one click. My username was also the same username. One click. Oops. And then put your password that you put the password. Okay. I should be able to get this information from your web host. Doesn't work. Database host. So your database host. Let's see. I think that should be our. I think that's like. Let's see what it is. Prefix. If you want to run multi, change this. We're gonna put this. Let's see, localhost. If you put localhost, I don't know if that would work. All right, so there you go. That worked actually. Localhost worked, database to get this information from your web host. Okay, so there you go. That worked. So install site title. Now we're gonna go ahead and install our title, site title name. One click video. One click video builder. Username again. We're gonna head that, and then I'm gonna create my own password. Okay. Your email address. This site, and install. And log in. There you go. So, and there you go. That's our information. Let's log into it. And guys, there you have it. This is your WordPress subdomain website that's been created for you, and we're good to go. That's basically it. It doesn't have anything. You go onto the main website, it does not have anything. It's just, the default theme that it comes with, hello world, the one of the post. But if you go here now in appearance and themes, you'll have default themes here, so you could choose one of them. So this is the one that's already active right now. So if you go ahead and show you an example of another theme, it would be something like this. This would be your website. So there you have it, guys. That's basically how you go by creating a subdomain and then installing a WordPress to it. And yep, have a great day, guys. Cheers.